Hello everybody, today my chocolate day. It's Monday. I hope you can see me. Okay, today I show you another different type of chocolate. Hershey miniatures. This chocolate. Anyway, this chocolate 150 calories, 6 grams saturated fat, 5 milligrams sodium, 14 grams cocoa sugar. This one is the classic size. Ingredient, they have sugar, chocolate, cocoa butter, peanuts, rice flour, milk fat, cocoa processed with alkali, contain 2% or less of lecithin. They open the soy, malt extract, monolactose salt, natural flavor milk. This is that's the ingredient. And for nutrition facts, about 10 serving per container, serving size 4 pieces. So that is, I believe it's 40 pieces in here. Each one 3 grams. No, 31. 4 pieces is 31 grams. The amount serving calorie 150. In that 150, we have total fat is 10 grams. 13% saturated fat is 6 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol less than 5 milligrams, that's 1%. Sodium is 5 milligrams, that's 0%. Total carbohydrate 18 grams, that's 6%. In that total carbohydrate include dietary fiber 2 grams. That's 7% of 6%. Total sugar is 14 grams. In that, they include 13 added sugar, 27%. Protein is 2 grams. I don't have a chocolate yet, so. Vitamin D, 0 micrograms, 0%. Calcium, 10 milligrams, 0%. Iron, 2.5 milligrams, is 15%. Potassium, 135 milligrams, 2%. That is just about this bag with this package. Here next way. 11 ounces is 31 grams. No, 311 grams. Now, let's open it. I smell chocolate. Okay, let me dump the whole bag out so you can see it. Yeah. Come on. Here, I think they have many colors. I don't know if it's different or not, but so far I see that the yellow, orange, in red. Okay, let me count how many. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. 10, 4 pieces. or 10 servings, so 40. Oh, it's so close. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. Okay, 38. Let's see how many different. This is same color. I think this same color, same color, same color. I have a lot same color. Yeah. Yellow, 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 red, 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 orange, 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 red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, orange. So most of them are red. So we have red, orange, yellow. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 yellow, 2, 4, 6, 7 orange, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 red, 22, 9, 7. Okay. Last I open one inside and see what's different. This is red. I think the paper is different. Okay, red. Next, yellow. Oh no, I think it's different types because it look like inside they have some nuts in here. That's the yellow. In this one, this one is there's sometimes I don't know. It's not a chocolate, white chocolate, something in there. It seems like look like. Okay, yellow. What the difference? They have in the side of bag. This one then the crust rice. That's for orange. I'm bad. This one peanut. So you see some nuts in there. This is special. Marley sweet. Is that? Yeah. Let me eat this first. Sweet, but I think the flavor bitter of the chocolate is stronger at the beginning. At the end, it's just the sweet take over. Okay, next I tried the one that have a peanut. This is yellow. Oh, yeah. Nuts, if you like peanut, and that's better for you. It the chocolate is not bitter like at beginning like this. It's kind of not the big difference between with the peanuts. Next, this orange. There's orange package. There's a crushed rice. Some rice in here. Yeah. Yeah, some crust. So, which one I like most? Yeah, I don't know. But if give me the option to choose which one I eat first, I go with the peanut first, and then crushed rice, and then this. But for people who love chocolate, this one is good for them because it's the strong chocolate is stronger as bitter as beginning. That's good. But so people, they love to bite when they eat the candy. They love to bite something, there's some nut in there, and then this one. But all them good for me because I need to have some chocolate, power up, get some energy for this week. So 2 pieces for a day. Some I did try all these. So today you have another different type of chocolate. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.